issues. The blue line, of course, is the deal book, and you can see that deal book was very, very much in line with a short sell at 520. Dropped off lovely, and the deal book since then has been bullish, actually, off the downticks into this pocket of liquidity here. The ride back out of town here with the refreshed order book coming in behind here was pretty ominous for any sellers at 470s. And we've had a very, very nice buy side rip back up to the 500 again there for $600 profit. Currently, a little bit of a change. Market makers during this period were net bullish positioning, which was good news. So the deal book and the market makers in line. And with the deal book in line with that as a storyline, it seems to make a wee bit of sense, right? So when you see the deal book going bullish here with the market makers going bullish, the same way as the deal book went bearish here, the market maker didn't actually get bearish until way, way, way later into the process. So the deal book shows real intent, and in this case, the real intent of this liquidity pull down here seems to be genuine, and we got a pretty good little pop to the upside here. That's market maker started to go sell side into the 23,500, but that looks like a distribution, doesn't it? Because if the positioning is still, in terms of the pricing is still bullish, they're basically just rotating some of their long stock by the looks of it, and this looks like a bit of a book rebalancing in here. And they're rebalancing off the 500s, so they're certainly not pricing in the sell just yet. They priced in the sell during this phase, but they're certainly not pricing in the sell. They were pricing in a buy trade. And it looks like they're rebalancing off the 500 just now in line with the market maker position here, but they're not repricing a sell. And so far, so interesting.